Welcome to my education channel. This is the best channel to share, learn, and can be used as a media to teach your student. Please subscribe, like and share to support this channel. Today we will learn about how to get guest approval for the laundry. First, how to get guest laundry approval with no guest in the room. The agenda is filling up the guest laundry approval form, folding the item, getting approval while guest not in the room with a privacy sign, sharing the information. And the objective of this session is, at the end of the session, you will be able to do the right procedure if anything found, for an example damage, stain, tear, before guest laundry processed. Back up all the information and record keeping. And avoiding a guest complaint. First, fill the guest laundry approval form. Write down below details: room number, guest name, date, time, your name, reason for approval. Fold the item. Take pictures of the damage prior to processing. Fold the item accordingly so the damage can be easily seen by the guest. Place the item in the laundry basket. Place the guest laundry approval form on top of the item. Now, what if the guest is not in the room? If the guest is not in the room, put the item on the bed bench if any. What if the room is on a DND sign? Bring back the item to the laundry. Report and make copy and pass the delivery list to laundry order taker. For all privacy room, the order taker will contact service center with the room number and request silent message to be left for the guest. Inform to the superior. Write down in the logbook so the information is escalated to the next shift. We will continue in the next session about marking guest laundry. Let us continue to the next session. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support this channel. Thank you.